Hello, welcome back. Today I will talking about for loops in PHP. For loops in PHP not different for any language. But when we talking about for loops, we are talking about the most important thing in PHP. With the for loop, you can creating everything you want to duplicate. For example, if we have a database and this database have a table of users or posts, you can using for loops to get all this data with a line of code using one for loop. If you, for example, I have an array. Take comments. Okay, I have an array. This array have some names: Muhammad and Ahmed and Mahmoud. Okay, we have three values in our database, or in our let's take this our database. This our database values. We have a table equal users. We have a database have a table contains this columns, this rows: Muhammad, Ahmed, Mahmoud. Okay, if I want to echo all these names or the values of users table, I will echo the first row is name, echo table name, this name 0, I want to echo name 1, we will echo name 2. This our table, and this our values. How I can using for loops to create this in one line of code? Let's say the syntax of for loops. Let's open our PHP tags. For loops starts with for, open our brackets or parentheses. Okay, let's take one. The first parameter is our variable without any condition, like I equals 1. We give it directly the value. The second else is require condition, like this: I like this I less than or equal 5. This our result method, this our action, plus. Let's echo, it's using br dot our, let's say the result. Yes, we have 1 2 3 4 5 from 1 2 until 5. The first, we have give our first variable a value. We started our counter or our value from 1, and we give it a condition if I less than 5 or equals 5. It will creating increment. We have talked about increment and decrement and in our in this tutorial. Okay, then we have printed this value, echo our I. This started the first one is less than 5, increment 1, 2 not less not more than 5, and 3 and 4 until 5 as less than, not less than this, and it equals this. Stop, echo 5 and stop this loop. Okay, this was a very simple for using. You can using for loops like select box for years and months. We will talking about all this in the next video. This was an introduction about for loops. The next video I will talking more more about for loops, and I will create some examples. Thank you for watching.